The fun, the fun, the fun is in the giving. The fun is in the giving. And oh, what a lift if the gift is a 58 Chevy. That's when you'll find the fun is in the giving. Your family's really living, and so are you, by the way, when you give an all-new 58 Chevrolet.
And what a bevy of Chevys to choose from. 17 models in 4 great series. This is the Bel Air Sport Sedan with full coil suspension as standard equipment. The Del Rey 2-door sedan with sculpturamic styling. It's a beautiful way to be thrifty. This lowest price Chevy sedan gives you features you'd expect to pay hundreds of dollars more for. New turbo thrust V8 power. New body by Fisher. New economy. Or your family may prefer a station wagon. For 58, Chevy offers 5 wagons, 4 of them with 4 doors. The 58 Chevrolet Impala, the car that made headlines when it was introduced. Unprecedented in public acceptance. In this Chevy, in all Chevys, safety plate glass is used all the way around. Exclusive with Chevrolet in the low-price field. Your local authorized Chevrolet dealer will do everything possible to have your new Chevrolet delivered for Christmas.